It's official, loud keyboards are the #1 cause of divorce in the US and Micronesia. That's why Gateron created the Gecko silent switches. I'll show you how they sound in a minute, but since these launched, we've already seen divorce rates plummet. Gecko switches are the national switch of India, and we know they have an extremely low divorce rate. Is that a coincidence? You literally cannot make this stuff up. But in case you're not already convinced, let me show you why these are saving relationships everywhere. Okay, so here's a loud clicky keyboard, and here's the silent Gecko keyboard.